Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove credit card from billing on Shopify. So, first, you may want to head over to your Shopify admin page, and from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on Settings that can be found at the bottom left corner of your screen. So, from here, the only way to remove credit card is by heading over to Plan. And from here, just proceed by clicking on Cancel Trial. A new window will then pop up. So from here, make sure that you read all the text that is in here. Then, once done, make sure that you check this I've reviewed the information above. And lastly, proceed by clicking on continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.